You want to focus for exactly 1 hour without checking the time, without getting lost on your phone. That's why Bloom Lo-Fi Study uses the Pomodoro 50-10 method, a simple rhythm that helps you start, stay on track, and finish with a clear mind. Here's how it works. You study for 50 minutes, fully focused, no distractions. Then you take a 10-minute break to reset your mind. 1 block, 1 hour, 1 clear win. Every Bloom Lo-Fi Study video is built around this 50-10 flow. Just press play, follow the timer on screen, and let the lo-fi beats and gentle ambience keep you in your lane when the 10-minute break starts. Stand up, stretch, drink water, then you're done. For the best results, silence your phone, close extra tabs, and pick just 1 task for this hour. If this structure helps you focus, like the video and subscribe to Bloom Lo-Fi Study, so your next deep focus hour is always just 1 click away.